More so than like the location and supply story, like lack of supply in California, perhaps, it's really more so, I think, about the tenant base because typically people associate 1970s deals in Texas with low quality tenants. Low quality tenants are operationally very challenging. They're difficult to deal with from a leasing perspective, from a retention perspective. They churn and burn the property. Renewal rates are low. Collection rates are low because these people, unfortunately, are very income insecure. And if they lose their job, they can no longer pay rent and you're going to have to evict them. So you've got a lot of churn, you've got low renewal rates, you have high eviction rates, you have low collection rates. They also beat up the property, they treat the property poorly. So your maintenance costs are high. Those are the scary thoughts. I think the scariest thoughts associated with a 1970s deal. And then, of course, you layer on top of that that the property is like a million years old and it's going to have issues with boilers and chillers and roofs and foundations and electrical wiring and plumbing. I mean, plumbing is such a nightmare that people don't talk enough about. So you've got like the physical issue and then you've got the operational issue by way of low quality tenants. So if you can mitigate those things through, let's say, being located in a good area, like Grand Riviera is located in a strong area. So although it's a lower class asset, it's a class C asset given its age, the quality of the tenants is actually pretty good. And then just to kind of vouch for Grand Riviera physically, it has a pitched roof. It has pretty good infrastructure. We are finding some plumbing issues, no surprise there.
Budgeted
But
for it, of
if
course.
you budget it for it, you're going to be safe, right? So it's when you buy something and something happens that you don't expect, that's where you get burned. It's kind of like in boxing. It's like the punch that you didn't see coming is the one that gets you, right? If you see the punch coming and you kind of prepare for it, you're going to be okay.